Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a linked style sheet so changes affect pages instantly. Open your site root in Dreamweaver and add a new CSS file in a dedicated /CSS folder. Once done, save and insert a link rel equals stylesheet href equals CSS/styles. CSS inside the document head. You do this now because separating structure and style avoids inline clutter and enables live preview. Make sure to set the site root so Dreamweaver resolves paths correctly and to enable live view for immediate feedback. Now you'll author practical CSS. Start with base selectors, type, and layout rules. Create a body font size and color, then define header ID and reusable classes for buttons and cards. Once done, group shared properties to reduce duplication and control specificity so styles cascade predictably. Avoid important except for emergencies. Use Dreamweaver's CSS designer to add rules, drag and drop properties, and generate media queries for responsive breakpoints. As you work, preview in live view and adjust value. Finish by optimizing and testing so your CSS works in production. Minify or bundle styles for performance, update the linked file name to bust caches, and verify pages in live view and real browsers across various sizes. Once done, inspect elements to confirm rules are applied and that specificity is correct. If a style doesn't appear, make sure the href path is accurate, clear the browser cache, check for a conflicting rule with higher specificity, and look for syntax errors in the CSS designer or the browser console.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.